Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute mouse. We'll need two pieces of paper, one like a small one and then the other one full size. Let's start. So we'll fold the big one in half and we're gonna draw an arch like this. That's good. From there, let's add like a half circle to one side and continue it to the other side. Beautiful. Now let's add a cute nose. And I'm gonna color it black. Just leave a little bit of white. Add a mouse and pretty big eyes. Let's add the ears. Nice. Let's add the body. That's good. Now let's add paws. And you can, like your mouse can be holding like maybe a flower or a heart or a star. Mine we're holding a piece of cheese. So I'm going to add a pretty big slice of cheese here. Good. Beautiful. That's so cute. Wonderful. Now the next step, let's cut those circles. Great, and that part is done. So we can put the scissors aside. Now grab that small piece of paper and let's insert it. Make sure that you can still see like a small piece here on this side. Now grab a marker again and let's draw the eyes. Now it's time to color. Now grab like any color you want, then let's create the outfit. And I'm gonna do like nice stripes. And look at that. This is done. If you want, you can add like a crown here, maybe like a flower, or feel free to add like a background if you want, or a butterfly, so whatever you want. And now that one final step, grab a glue, open a piece of paper, and just do like that. Perfect. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together.